We love DIY culture just as much as the next person. But we also recognize when it's time to access the resources, expertise, and services of professionals. When it comes to managing a Tampa rental property, you don't want to waste time and money. Here's why self-managing your home is actually a very risky idea. When you don't have the technology and the expertise to create an attention-grabbing listing and syndicate it across multiple rental websites, you waste time. When you aren't sure how to accurately price your property, you lose valuable days on the market. Tenant showings and screenings need to be quick but comprehensive. It is really important that consistent screening policies are followed. Professional management gets your home rented faster for more money with less liability. When you manage your own rental property, you're setting yourself up for a lot of liability you don't need. A fair housing mistake can cost you thousands of dollars. Waiting too long to return a security deposit could land you in court. Avoid the risk that comes with screening your own tenants and the frustration that comes with collecting late rent. Maintenance is expensive, and it's not going to get any cheaper anytime soon. Property managers have excellent relationships in place with qualified and cost-effective vendors and contractors. Our vendors are screened for correct licensing, insurance requirements, and workman's comp compliance. Repairs are monitored for timely compliance and cost-effectiveness. Wouldn't you like knowing the condition of your investment property is well protected? There's no need to self-manage your Tampa rental home when you have resources like ours. Contact us at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Properties Group, and we'll show you how we can help.